In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I moved a $9 account to 300 plus profits in just one day trading synthetic indices. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're new here, please make sure to subscribe because here I share information that people literally pay for free. All you have to do is just subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I drop a video. Without even wasting much of your time, let's get straight into it. So yeah guys, as you can see in the background, I just put a pending order on VIX 25-1/8. Let me just give you a quick breakdown to why I put this pending order and what I expect from this trade, right? So as you can see here, this was a rising wedge, guys. Like, I had to use 3 of my confirmation for me to actually get this trade, right? Nice. So the first confirmation was a rising wedge, and the second one was a head and shoulder pattern which was forming. So the last one was the order block, which I just put there. I need to say if price is going to tap into that order block, it should start falling immediately, right? So now since I was a bit occupied, I just had to put a pending order so that the trade won't leave me, right? So when I came back to check the trade, it already doubled my account. So what I did was I just had to close the positions and then re-enter with a big lot size so I can capitalize more on this trade. Yeah, boy. Because I know for sure saying it's still falling, right? So yeah, it's the same analysis as I said. So all I have to do is just make sure I hold this trade a little bit longer so I can capitalize fully, right? So my target is the neckline. If it just touches the neckline of the head and shoulder, I'll be out of this trade. So let's just see how everything will turn up. So after a few minutes of waiting, guys, like boom, the trade went all the way in profits, guys. Like I don't know. It was 50 USD in profits from 9 USD, remember. So I just had to close my position and just look for another trade because I was satisfied with the profits. You know, like I say in my videos, the first 2 trades are very important for you to win when you're doing a challenge. For me, like, I don't care how much I'm making, but for the first 2 trades, I just like to scout through my position so I can grow my account. After the 2 trades, then I start aiming for higher returns, right? So right here, I was satisfied already with the profits. That's why I closed. So as you can see in the background, I've already found another trade on Jump 50. So I just entered my buys. What I'm anticipating from this trade is the market will go all the way up, right? Because I see a double bottom in a 4-hour time frame, and I also see it in a 15 minutes time frame. And I also put my B2B trend line, which has confirmed to say this market is about to shoot all the way up. So what I expect from this trade is at least double the account, right? So I'm finna risk a little bit more so I can actually double the account and grow it further, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you want to learn how to trade like this from me personally, all you have to do is just inbox me and I'll fill you in on how you can join my mentorship, because I just started my mentorship program, guys. Like, I just dropped my course. I think on the 30th of January I dropped my course. So learn the art of prediction with the FX B2B strategy and start withdrawing. With that said, let's just see how everything will turn up on this trade, right? So yeah, see you after some minutes.
A few moments later.
Or hours. So after a few minutes of waiting, boom, the trade went all the way up, guys. Like, I didn't even wait for that long. It jumped up, guys. So I just had to close my position.
Oh my god! Wow!
After I saw 40 USD, because initially I just wanted to double my account, right? So I just had to close and just capitalize on another trade, right? So yeah, as you can see, I just found another trade on Jump 75. Unfortunately, this one I wasn't feeling it as much, so I had to come out, guys. Like, it just made about $3 in profits. I had to come out because I found another setup which made so much sense to me. So I just had to abandon this one and just move to another setup, right? By the way, I want to know your plans for Valentine's. What are you doing on Valentine's Day? What are you buying for your loved one? I will just comment in the comment section below what you're doing. If you're broke and you don't have money like me, just fund your account with as little as $20 or even 15, and just comment Valentine's, and I'll know saying you've watched my video and you want me to help you flip your account. So if you come fast, I might trade your account, but if you're late, you'll find to say I'm already occupied with other accounts. I won't be able to help you. It'll be sad, but yeah, just do that real quick, and don't forget to like the video and follow me on Instagram before inboxing me, you know. Yeah, and comment in the comment section below what you like about this video. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. As you can see, I just entered my sales on VIX 101S. Let me just give you a quick breakdown to what I expect from these trades, right? So you might be wondering why I'm entering trades from a daily, because that's why I've seen an entry on a daily, guys. But then I had to scroll down all the way to my 15 minutes for me to confirm. Don't worry, because this is a very small account. I wouldn't actually take trades on a daily like this. But then yeah, so let me give you a quick breakdown to what I've entered these sales and what I expect, right? So as you can see, guys, this is the same exact strategy that I trade, right? So I saw a rise in wage, which I knew to say it's about to start falling, guys, because a rise in wage always falls. I always tell you this. Just know how to spot them. So yeah, what I expect from this trade is it's going to fall all the way to touch my lower trend line, right? And then I'm gonna be out of this trade because I know for sure to say it's going to touch my lower trend line and break it a little bit before it can go up or decide to go all the way down to my 90% rule. But I don't care about the 90% rule in this case. I'm not gonna hold for that long. I just want it to go touch my lower trend line and then I'll be out of these trades, right? So I just want at least 300 USD to spoil my girl on Valentine's, you know. My girl doesn't ask for much, so a 300 USD will be enough for her.
Sana all.
So yeah, if you wanna learn how to trade from me personally, just make sure you DM me. Like I said, I just launched the FX B2B strategy course, which is available for you guys, and it's going at a cheap price, guys. Like, trust me, for now you all can afford it, but then after a few months from now, obviously the price will go up, so it's better you get it now while you can still afford it. So I want to see you flip accounts like me, guys. Like, I want to see you learn the art of prediction with the FX B2B strategy and start flipping. Because, like, I can do it. I'm not a genius. What can stop you from actually learning the strategy and doing it for yourself? And you're a genius, so it should be easy for you to actually grasp the information and start flipping your accounts also, right? So just learn the art of prediction. I think what you're lacking is just the knowledge which I have for you. So make sure you inbox me and get access to the B2B course so you can start flipping your small accounts also, right? So yeah, after a few hours of waiting, guys, the trade went in profits. As you can see, it went in deep blue. So when I just saw 300 plus USD, I just had to close.
Why are you running? Why are you?
But then I wouldn't say it was a quick trade because I held it for like the whole night. Yeah, the whole night of me just waking up, checking on the trade to eventually it hit my profit target, guys. Like, it hit 311 USD. So I just had to close because now my profit target has been reached and just withdrew the money, you know what I'm saying? Because it's very much important for you to withdraw your money when you make it in trading, right? Like, just withdraw it. And sometimes just withdraw hard cash so you can just have the feels for it, right? Like, that will motivate you to work even extra hard, no cap. So yeah, after withdrawing my money, I just had to inbox my baby because now I have a Valentine's, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to learn how to trade, just make sure you DM me and I'll fill you in on how you can go about all this, right? So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут с Ямала до Волгодонского.